Hello guys, Erkin back again. This video is all about unboxing these bad boys and also setting them up. Now they do have Nike Adapt technology in them, as you can see. So they do come with a bit of setting up. Now there is an app called Nike Adapt on the Play Store for Google and iPhone on the App Store. Now just a couple things to mention, because I've read the booklet, to get them to full power you have to charge these for 30 minutes. They'll give you a wireless charging pad where you just place it on top. They also give you a charger to plug into the board. So first things first, charge these for 30 minutes. Do not leave them on charge for no longer than 24 hours. Also, you're going to want to use the charger that Nike provide in the box. Because it has a battery inside here, it may cause damage to the battery. It may overheat, overcharge. The best thing to do would be stick to that charger. Now that's out of the way, one last thing before we dive into the unboxing. When it comes to the app, your trainers need to be charged. Otherwise, you cannot control them and lace them up or unlace them using the app. You can only use the buttons here. That does not get old. Straight after the unboxing, I'm gonna do a little setup with the Bluetooth and the app that Nike provides. So I'll see you in a tick.
Perfect.
So guys, that's the unboxing for these two bad boys. What comes in the box, what comes with them. Also, how to set them up with the app and Bluetooth. These are very, very unique. I hope this helped you setting them up, because I was a bit baffed when I first opened them. So leave your comments down below on what you think, if this helped you at all, if you're still having trouble. Also, let me know if you've copped a pair, because the first colorways are always rare and they're hard to get. So anyway, that's enough from me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Till next time, take care.